Trade recap for 7th of July 2026. I ended up taking two trades, almost broke all of my rules. Uh, I just changed my daily risk to 500. So here it is. So I came up to the market around like 10:27, some 9:27 or something. Yeah. Looking at it, we are just rejecting off. Just forming a gap. And also, when you go to daily time frame and stuff, as you can see, we are rejecting off this daily fair value gap. So price tends more like to go down, and yeah, whatever, it's gonna go down, and that's what I was targeting. And also, we got this previous day high sweep, and then there's a huge wick candle. So everything, everything's here is going to be bearish, right? So that's what I was aiming for. And as I go to the 4 hour time frame, we are basically being bearish. Inversion right here, we are creating break-even gaps. Which is right here. We got an inversion right here. Price saying that it's gonna go down to this liquidity right here. So that's what I was looking for, and I told myself I'm going to be bearish, and I still end up taking a bullish entry. Which is right around somewhere here. After this liquidity sweep, we got a tiny low time frame inversions, and I thought the price still had to go up to here. But yeah, anyways, didn't really work out, and I should have waited for my what's that? I should have waited for a candle close for the inversion on this lower time frame. As even after seeing this, I was telling myself to go for a bearish entry. But yeah, basically didn't I my mind didn't actually listen to me. And yeah, at the end of the day, I just end up taking this stupid entry, and it was really I was so cut. I had so much thoughts going in my mind, and I just wanted to go for a buy entry. End up taking a sell. Want to go sell entry. End up taking a buy entry right here. Uh, as you can go to the 1 minute time frame. Okay, as you see this, here's the first entry. So I was thinking of taking this trade off this fair value gap, but I just wanted the price to come back to this consequent encouragement. And this candle closed, and even after this one, I thought it's gonna close above. Um, if that would have happened, this was a clear liquidity London high right there. So I was just planning on going for a buy and trade just because this is about to get closed. And if I would have waited for the price to close above, I would have I would have not taken this trade, end up not taking this trade because of this rejection right here. We don't even have any sort of fair value gap or something like that. But when you go to 30-second time frame, this seems more and more convincing. So rejecting off this 15-minute gap, this is a 15-minute fair value gap, bullish fair value gap. We got a liquidity sweep. So what price do inversion market structure fair value gap? Everything says that this entry is going to be a buy model. And as I entered right here, waiting for this 1 minute closure, I should have waited for the 1 minute closure and end up taking the straight up to the stop loss and lost $250 on it. Waited for another entry off this 1 minute fair value gap right here. This 1 minute gap right here, end up taking this trade off. the first touch of the fair value gap and targeting 1 is to 2, which is crazy. And two contracts on this trade. Here's the entry. There you go with the two contract entry on this, and then take profits right here. So after taking this trade, I know it the price gonna definitely go to the next liquidity. And also one more thing is that we are closing below this 15-minute gap. So that is also another confluence, higher time frame confluence on this move. But yeah, basically could have avoided this first loss. So this would have been a perfect 1 is to 2 entry, and that's it. I'm done out of the day. Could have been that, but yeah, just had to go through this. I was the most annoying part about this is that yeah, I was planning on taking a sell entry and end up taking a buy, taking going to the stop loss thing. That is a major thing that was actually like really annoying. And yeah, I do not trust 30 seconds. Yeah, I mean I don't trust 30 seconds. So but here today I just wanted to like take a trade off 30 second and gamma pricing. Also, if this trade didn't play out, I would have probably crashed out. And thankfully, after this trade, I locked myself out. Didn't want to trade, and then like I just didn't trade after that. I didn't even open the charts. But yeah, it's all good. At the end of the day, preserving capital is what I need. So whatever, man. That's about it. Okay. So that's about the trade recap for the day. And as always, believe in yourself, believe in God. Anything is possible. So just go get it. Not others.